Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, June 4th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I got an email from a guy today that started out saying he thought my trading results were too good to be true, but then he complained that um, my performance was very erratic and inconsistent. And I haven't returned the email yet, but today is a good lesson because what I want to say is that if you want consistency, take up stamp collecting. Don't fool around with markets and trading because markets aren't consistent and profits and trading are never consistent. They're all over the place. The idea is that you just make more than you lose. Then you're going to be successful. But consistency, it never works that way. And today's a good case in point. Is probably, maybe you already know, the Dow gained 512 points today. Its second best day of the year. We came in with 9 positions. 8 of those positions closed out positively, and we closed out over $25,000 in closed out winning trades. It didn't stop there. We got into 19 new positions today. 17 were positive, only 2 were negative, and we're carrying $25,000 in open trade equity going in tomorrow. 25 plus 25, I think, makes 50, which means in a single day we have made back more than half of our whole horrible losses in May. May was a long, torturous month. If you suffered through all my videos of of last month, you know I was agonizing each and every day. It was just terrible, and it was such a long month too. It's actually 4.5 weeks of trading, and virtually every day was horrible. And we got to the end, and I think we had $93,000 in losses or something like that. And today we made back over half of those losses. That is inconsistency. And the reason most people just can't handle trading is they can't handle this. It'd be so easy if you could just make a couple $1,000 each and every day and average that. Everybody could trade then. But no, it's going through the agony of a month like May and sticking it out and then getting one of these days like today that just makes it all up. And I'm sorry to lecture you, but this is why um, not many people do very well with trading. Anyway, great day. Trader Bob is dancing on the ceiling. Um, yeah, we closed out 25, and we got 25 open trade going into tomorrow. Let me show you 3 of those stocks. I can show you a lot of good trades, but let's just look at 3. Okay, this one I showed you yesterday, but I just show you now because we closed it out. This is JNUG Gold Mining Bull. We had bought this way last Thursday, I think. Then on Friday it went up a bunch. Yesterday it went up a bunch more. And we got out there very near the top, I think. Just about the right time. And we took $18,000 out of JNUG. Yeah, that one we liked. Here's another good one. This is Trade Desk Incorporated, TTD. This is a new stock for us. Almost 30 years ago I wrote some manuals and I called this pattern the Sweet William pattern. It's when you get into a trade, it never looks back. It just keeps going up nice and smooth and close near its high. That's a Sweet William trade. This was a Sweet William trade. We are holding $5,300 in Trade Desk Incorporated. And finally, the big new stock for today is CBM, that's Cell-Sci Corporation. And it popped up today. We grabbed that pop-up. And this is another Sweet William. It just kept going and going. Pulled back just a little here at the end, but hardly any at all. And we are carrying $10,500 in Cell-Sci Corporation. Fantastic day. It just took my breath away because I was so close to throwing in the towel at the end of May, you know. Thank God I didn't. Now it's looking like we're going to get our money back from all those losses. Anyway, that's the way it went on this fantastic day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Wednesday.